Welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are gonna be learning how you can easily invite your friends in Slotomania so that you can enjoy the game together in just a few simple steps. First of all, launch open the Slotomania app on your device and log in. Once you're in the homepage of Slotomania, click on the three horizontal menu button at the top right corner. From the pop-up, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll all the way down and look for Invite a Friend button. Choose any one method you want to invite your friends using. You can tap on the WhatsApp option, select a friend from WhatsApp to send them the invite. If you want to invite friends via text or SMS, tap on the text option and follow the instruction. You can also easily send an invitation directly to your friend's email by tapping on Email, and then you will be able to see the invitation link pasted in the description box or your text threads. Now, go ahead and select an email address or a friend you want to invite to the game and send in the message or the email. Soon after you do that, you will be able to send the invitation to your friends. Once your friend joins using your invite, you'll usually get bonus, coins, spins, or other rewards. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.